Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a itty bitty little scrapbook.com haul, and I wanted to share these goodies that I got from a crafty friend on Instagram. Her name is Brandy. I'll have her information linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. But she had made a post that she went to Tuesday morning and she found these Jen Hadfield goodies, and you guys, I went bananas. And she had 2 sets, so I left a comment letting her know that if she wanted to get rid of one and sell one, that I would be definitely willing to buy one. And she sent it to me, you guys, for us to swap. And I'm definitely going to be sending her some handmade goodies as well as some other goodies for being so sweet. This is such a pretty collection and I don't think I've ever seen it, so I am ecstatic, you guys, that I now own it. But she sent me the ephemera pack. Sorry about the lighting, but it's a little late and the lighting is not the best. But this is what you get in the ephemera pack. Super cute, very fall, love it. I want to make some handmade cards with this collection. And this is the paper pad, you guys. And look at this. This paper is everything. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it already because I definitely posted it over there. But you guys, it is super cute and I cannot wait to play with it and make some gorgeous handmade cards. So definitely stay tuned for that on my Instagram. She also sent me a pack of these stickers, which is perfect for a project I have in mind. I love them. I don't have anything like this. And then you guys, look at the chipboard. So cute. Love the mugs, the thermos, the candle. Everything is so cute. And you guys, these Tuesday morning prices are amazing. God knows why he didn't give me one nearby, because I would be there literally every single day. That is for sure. And then you guys, I have a small little scrapbook.com haul to share with you guys. Tony did a video showing her Halloween stash. Yeah, her Halloween stash for 2019, which by the way, I have mine coming up. I'm just trying to gather everything together to put together a video so you guys know what I'm working with this year. But she showed these ephemera packs that I was like, oh my gosh, I need to find them. And they were the Anna Griffin Andorra collection. And she was saying that these were her favorites, and oh my gosh, they are so cute. And they have them in scrapbook.com, so you know that I had to pick up a pack because they are so cute. Look, you guys, I'm gonna have it linked down below so you guys can definitely go check it out and get you some, because the colors are perfect. They're just really great pieces, and I'm so thankful that I saw them in her video because I didn't even know they were out. And then I also got the phrases. I think it's the tags, the quotes, and the titles. And that's what you get. Those are all the pieces. I love the colors. I love the darkness of the orange. It's not like so bright. It's just so cute. And I could totally see why these are her favorite. So Tony, these are thanks to you. Definitely pick those up. And then I got a free Jane Davenport, what is this? A brush pen in the color Daisy Dukes. So I got that for free, which is always good. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.